Login loop error on Wealthfront Fix. Ever tried to log into your Wealthfront account only to be caught in a never-ending login loop? You enter your credentials, tap sign in, and boom, right back to the login screen. It's annoying, but the surprising truth is, it's not your password or account that's the problem. It's your device's cached session data. Wealthfront's system uses secure session tokens to verify each login. When these tokens expire or become corrupted, the app can't properly connect to the server, so it loops back to the sign-in page instead of showing an error message. Here's how to fix it fast. Start by fully closing the Wealthfront app. Then, open your phone settings, go to Apps, select Wealthfront, and tap on Storage. Clear both cache and data. This will wipe out the expired session and reset your login. Next, reopen the app and manually enter your login credentials. Avoid using autofill or save passwords, because sometimes those store old data that can re-trigger the loop. If that doesn't work, double-check your phone's date and time settings. Make sure they're set to automatic. Wealthfront's login process depends on time-based encryption keys, and even a small difference can cause failed logins. Using AVBIN, turn it off temporarily. Wealthfront blocks certain beans and mass tips to protect against unauthorized access, and that can easily cause your login loop. If you're still having trouble, uninstall and reinstall the app. This ensures you're using the latest version, which often includes bug fixes for login issues. Once you're logged back in, enable biometric authentication like fingerprint or Face It. That makes future logins instant and less prone to token errors. So, if you're caught in the Wealthfront login loop, don't panic. Clear your cache, sync your device time, and disable VPNs. Follow these quick steps and you'll be back managing your portfolio without missing a beat.